From today, we will not talk Arabic, we will talk English. So chapter 4 talk about lines, angles and polygons. And let you with the first checkpoint A, angle properties. Point A, angle properties. There is some important terminology we use when talking about how two angles are related. You should become familiar with these terms. First point, two angles with sizes which added to 90 are called complementary. So what meaning of complementary? Complementary, that means the two angles, the sum of them are equal 90. So for example, 30 and 60 and 45 and 45 at 8 and 10 and 80. So again, complementary angles, that means the sum of two angles are equal 90. Next point, two angles with sizes which added to 180, that it's called supplementary angles. Supplementary angles, that means the sum of two angles are equal 180. So for example, 120 plus 60, 90 plus 90. Okay, let's continue. Two angles which have the same vertex, and share a common arm. Where is the common arm? That they are share QA. Then common R is QA. Then R we are called adjacent angles. So adjacent angles, where is the adjacent angles? Let's take that in green. The first angle which will be BAQ. This angle BAQ. And the second angle RAQ. This is the second RAQ. RAQ or QAR. We can call all them adjacent angle. Let's continue. For intersection lines, if I have two lines or intersect each others, then the two opposite angles are equal. That means by using VOA, and this is the shortcut of vertically opposite angles. So the V, the first letter of vertically, V, and opposite, O, and angles, A. So it give me VOA, vertically opposite angles. And this is angles by the stars are equal by VOA again. Let's continue. The following properties can be used to solve problem involving angles. Let's see how it's come. Angles centered at a point. The sum of sizes of angles at the point is 360. That means all the angles around the point are equal 360. Then A plus B plus C are equal 360. Adjacent angles are on a straight line. If I have a straight line like that, then this angle are equal 180. By the proof I have, this is another line, then give me another 180. So 180 plus 180 are equal 360. And that give me the same point here. Let's continue. Adjacent angles in the right angle. The right angle, we remember the right angle are equal 90. So I have two angles, and then the sum of them are equal 90. Vertically opposite angle, we remember vertically V and opposite O, angle A, then give me VOA, the vertically opposite angle. Then A equal B, then this point are equal this point. Continue. Corresponding angles. When two parallel lines are cut by a third line, that means these lines are parallel by this shape. Then, and I have another line intersect each other, then angles in the corresponding positions are equal in size. A and B are corresponding, so A equal B. That means of corresponding. Let's continue. Alternate angles. When two parallel lines are cut by a third line that the same, if I have two lines parallel by this shape, and I have this intersect each other, then A equal B by alternate. And alternate, let's give me the Z letter. So I have here Z letter. Then A and B are equal by alternate angles. Let's continue. Co-interior angles, also called allied angles. That means when two parallel lines, I have here two parallel lines by this shape, are cut by a third line, intersect by this line, the third line, then co-interior angles are supplementary. A plus B are equal 180. We remember the supplementary are equal 180. Excuse me. Let's continue. Angles of triangle. We remember the sum of all interior angles of the triangle are equal 180, and then this are equal 180. A plus C plus B equal 180. Excuse me, equal 180. Exterior angles of triangle. This is the exterior angle, because B and A are interior angles, and then A, C, B in this example are interior angles. So C is exterior angles. The side of the exterior angle of the triangle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angle. What meaning of this? That means C are equal B plus A without the adjacent angle. Then C equal A plus B. Let's continue. Angles of the quadrilateral. The sum of the interior angles of the quadrilateral is equal 360. If you wanted from me to prove this, I can prove it so easy. If I have this quadrilateral and I intersect two one angle and two angles, so I have two angles, two triangles here. The first triangle are equal 180, and the second triangle are equal 180. And then the sum of them will give me 360. Then this proof are right. Then A plus B plus C plus D are equal 360. Thank you so much. Let's continue. Right now, we will check exercise 4A, and you have a homework. Exercise 4A. Then, first question, use the figure illustrate to answer the following questions. AB is the fixed line, and OB can rotate about O between OB and OB, OE and OB. If X equal 136, X 136, 136. Thank you. Then Y, we remember then A, B, all of it are equal 180. Then if I have one, then I can take the second, or I can find the next angle or the missing angle by minus or subtract. Then 180 minus 136 equal 0 minus 6 can't. Let's borrow. Then L 0 equals 10 and 8 equals 7. 10 minus 6 equals 4. 7 minus 3 equals 4, and 1 minus 1 equals 0. Then I have 44. Then Ly equals 44. So easy. Let's continue. Easy, 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 easy. So all that you can subtract. Let's take F. So the question have this sign or the right sign or homework. Don't miss this point. The last one is so important, so I will solve it. If X equal Y, what is the value of each? What is the value of each? That means I have 180 over, because the two are equal, then I will divide 2. Then 180 divided 2 equals 90. Then X equal y equal 90. Thank you so much. Number 2, find the value of the unknown giving brief reasons. You shouldn't need to set up an equation. The first one, A, this is a right angle, so equal 90, all of it equal 90. Then I have 35, then I will minus or subtract. 0 minus 5 equal 5, 8 minus 3 equal 5. Then I have 55, the y. So easy. This is a line, so r equal 180, then equal minus and continue. So easy. This is r aligned, thank you so much. This is r alternate because I have the z letters, so y equals 65. This is r corresponding, then at x equal 100. This is r allied equal 180 minus 131 and continue. So easy. Let's continue. VOA by VOA. We're solving quickly to solve all the exercise, but I want from you to pause the video and solve it firstly and to be good in math. X equal 112, then x equal by VOA. Okay, this is all of it. Oh, the sum equal 360, then 360 equal minus 315 equal, that give me this, the x. So easy, the same, alternate straight line. And this is r corresponding. And we can get this all of it, 180. Then 180 minus 115 equal 0 minus 5 equal 5, and 7 minus 1 equal 6. Then A equal B, cause R corresponding. 7 and A by VOA, then A equals 57, then B again equal 57, the same because R corresponding. In this shape I have all of it 360. And this angle and this angle are allied, so equal 180. Then 180 minus 78. Then that gave me 0 minus 8 equal 2, and 7 minus 7 equals 0. Then 100 0. Then A equal 100 0, 102 2. Then B equal 102. Excuse me. Thank you so much. Homework. Yep, you can solve it. I think so easy, and make a comment to me to solve if you solve it, and make a comment if you don't solve it, and if you need the solve, just ask about this video and we will do it for you. Step 3, find giving brief results. The value of the unknown is n. All of it 360, and this angle is a right angle equal 90. I think all of it so easy. You can subtract 360 minus 145 plus 90, and this is give you the P angle. I have all angles E are equals. Then E plus E are equal 360, because all this, the sum of all angles are equal 360. Then E plus E plus E equal 3E equal 360. Then I will divide 3, then equal E equal 120. So easy. The same, this is 90 and this is 3F. With 3F you can make equation. And by using equations, if you can't use equations, I will let you the playlist of the equations and you can do it alone. You can start using equations and what meaning of equations. This is this playlist I will let you. In the description you can see the playlist and you can learn from it how can you solve equations, and how can you see the forming of equations, how can you make your equations from this problem. So let's continue. All of this homework and this homework, let's continue. Number 4. In this question, he told me state whether KL is parallel to MN given brief reasons for your answer. Note that these diagrams are sketches only and have not been drawn actually. That means that you can see the numbers can't be equal or not. So again, let's read the question. State whether KL is parallel to MN. Given a brief reason for your answer, note that these diagrams are sketches only by being drawn actually. So LN, LK and M1 are parallel, but they didn't drawing actually. So 85 or 80 are equal 85. They are equal because they alternate. Excellent. This KL and MN, and this is 91 and this is 91? No, this is not, because they are aligned angles, so are equal 180. It should be the sum of them are equal 180. 91 plus 91 are equal 182, and this is not correct. And this same if R this then if LK and NM are parallel, then A96 plus equal 96, and this is correct because they are corresponding. I will let question 5 our homework, and see you inshallah bismillah. Be with you Mr. Hazem Midhat from channel YouTube of Math Math, and see you inshallah bismillah in the next video. We will learn about triangles, and this is so important. See you inshallah bismillah. And if you don't subscribe, make subscribe if you are new, and welcome to the new guys and new students. See you, and new parents, of course. See you inshallah bismillah, and bye.